Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa dip for nachos at home. First, select fresh, ripe ingredients for the best flavor. You'll need about 2 pounds of tomatoes, 1 medium onion, and a few jalapenos. Ensure all your produce is washed thoroughly before you begin. This initial step is crucial for a vibrant and delicious salsa. We'll then move on to preparing these ingredients for mixing. Now, let's get to the chopping. Dice your tomatoes, onion, and jalapenos into small, uniform pieces. Remember to remove the seeds from the jalapenos for less heat, or leave some in for a spicier kick. Mince 2 cloves of garlic and a 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. Combine everything in a bowl, ensuring an even distribution of all ingredients. For seasoning, squeeze in the juice of 1 fresh lime. This brightens all the flavors. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. For an extra layer of flavor, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin works wonders. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed, perhaps adding a dash more salt or a pinch of chili powder for more heat. Once your salsa is mixed and seasoned, cover it and chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve your fresh homemade salsa with your favorite tortilla chips for an unbeatable snack. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 5 days. For other great deals, including a link to those amazing Darn Tough socks, check the description below. They really are worth it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.